Would you like beautiful women to fall head over heels for you? Of course you would. Then you gotta listen to the next few minutes of this video very carefully because I'm gonna reveal a powerful reverse psychology trick that gets women completely obsessed with you. You may have heard this trick before, but I can guarantee that you don't know how to use it in the right way. Most men who try it do it wrong and it backfires on them. However, when this reverse psychology hack is applied in the right way, it can make women go crazy for you. So crazy that she thinks about you nonstop, starts to fantasize about you, and actually chases you down for dates, relationships, and whatever else you want. The best part is it works on all types of women and all ages. And I'm going to show you exactly how to put this trick into action in your interactions with women. Plus, towards the end, I will give you a bonus tactic that will make women lose their minds over you and crave you like a drug. So stay tuned. Watch this video till the very end. Let's dive in. I'm Marni, your once again sick wing girl, so bear with me with my hoarse voice. I hope it actually sounds sexy to you, but I am your personal wing girl. Every week, I'm gonna give you the insider info about what women really want, not what they say they want, plus effective methods for winning over any girl you like. So hit that subscribe button now so you never miss a video. Okay, before I dive into seduction, reverse psychology, I wanna tell you about today's video sponsor, Tiege Hanley. You've heard me talk about them before. I love them. You're going to keep hearing me talk about them because I know the positive impact their products are going to have on your life. Implementing a quality skincare routine will improve your confidence in every aspect of your life. I recommend that you start with their level 1 system, which comes with all the basics. It comes with a daily face wash, an exfoliant scrub, an AM moisturizer with SPF 20, and a PM moisturizer. Oh, and to make it super easy, they provide this cute little instruction card that tells you when and how to use the product, how much to use, what order. It totally comes in handy. But you don't have to take my word for it because they have over 5,000 5-star reviews from customers from around the globe. This isn't something you want to put off because prevention is key. Get ahead of any signs of aging now. Your future self will thank you. Oh, one more thing. In addition to amazing skin, members of Tiege Hanley get tons of benefits, including 20% off the retail price, access to exclusive monthly deals, pause and cancel at any time, and free shipping in the US. And because Tiege Hanley is sponsoring today's video, they're offering my viewers a very great deal. So click the first link in the description and you'll get 30% off your first box plus a free gift. So do not miss out on this amazing deal. Click that link and get started. All right, so here's that reverse psychology hack that I want you to use on women that you like. They call it the forbidden fruit effect, but it's more commonly known as playing hard to get. It's based on the psychological principle, which states that we all want things that we can't have or are challenging to get. Or in other words, if it's hard to get, we want it even more. The problem is most men try to play hard to get the wrong way. Their idea of playing hard to get means acting cool, aloof, uninterested, or ignoring a woman to make her fall in love. This approach completely backfires and it does not work. So women, even if they like you at first, will lose interest extremely fast if you act cold or disinterested. And if they have no interest to begin with, acting aloof won't create any desire at all. The right way to play hard to get and become a forbidden fruit that she craves involves being warm and challenging, not cold and distant. And there are 3 types of ways to do this that you can follow to ensure that you play hard to get the right way. And here they are. Way number 1, push, pull. This is one of the few old school pickup artist tactics that I actually really like because it works. Push, pull essentially means showing interest followed by disinterest or vice versa. So basically, you validate the girl by saying something nice or hinting that you like her, then you take it away. You take away the validation by showing disinterest or saying something, kind of negative in a playful way. Here are a few examples. So you're really fun to talk to. Too bad I'm not into brunettes. With a smile. You're so cute. You look like my sister. God, you're too nice. I hate you. Okay, these are cute. So here's something for if she says something that you disagree with. See, I liked you a lot until you just said that. You can even do a physical version of this technique where you pull her in for a hug, then push her away saying, okay, that's enough for now. Get your hands off me. Look at her with strong eye contact for 3 to 5 seconds while you're speaking. Then break eye contact to look at something else or someone else. See, it's like pushing, pulling, pushing, pulling. Also, you don't always need to show interest first. You can do the opposite as well. So for example, you're a little annoying, but it's okay. I still like you. See, you're like, then you pull in. All right, here's another one. You make a weird face when you laugh. It's so cute. I've seen many girls wear that exact same dress. It's nice, okay? The thing to remember while using the push-pull or pull-push technique is to create contrast, to create that fluctuation. That fluctuation is what makes you unpredictable. And it's fun, okay? That unpredictability can drive women crazy. They're thinking, does he like me? Does he not like me? Do I have him? Do I not have him? This line for thinking makes you a challenge in her mind and slowly creates an obsession. But of course, we're just getting started. The next way that I'm going to share with you is going to further amplify that obsession. Way number 2, tell her why you can't be together. You want to do this once a woman is actively engaging you. If you're doing your push-pull correctly, you'll begin to engage her into a conversation. And you want to be talking in between the push-pull, by the way. So as she invests more in the conversation and seems more interested in you, you want to mention why you can't be together or why you can't work long-term. This is kind of like doing a push-pull technique, a little bit different. So here are some examples. We'll never get along. We're so similar. I would have taken you out for a date, but you seem like trouble. I would have fallen in love with you by now if you didn't look like my sister, right? So there's like this extra thing there. So if she's like a boundary, a barrier. If she's a colleague or someone from your friend group and you've been flirting a little bit, you might say something like, okay, I don't think we should do this. This won't end well, right? Or I don't think we should do this. We share a lot of friends. Or look, this is fun, but we need to stop. So actively telling a girl why you can't be together, why you won't get along, or that you shouldn't be flirting is only gonna wanna make it or wanted to do it more. I can't even speak because I'm so flustered by this. Just remember, we all want things we can't have or is a challenge to get. That's the whole premise of playing hard to get. And this way will really start to put that forbidden fruit effort into motion. However, there's one more way to supercharge the effect of playing hard to get. And that is way number 3. Limit your availability. Ignoring a woman will lose her interest after a while, but showering her with attention will also do the same. In fact, it's going to kill interest even faster. So you need to be selectively available. Don't text or call her every day of the week. Leave some gap days in between. Go to your life. Don't say yes every time she wants to meet up. Say no at times and suggest an alternative date. And don't engage with her posts or stories or social media platforms. Once in a blue moon is fine, but make it like special and rare. By doing these simple things, you'll show her that you have a stable life with or without her. You don't need her all the time. You don't need her validation. And who doesn't like an independent, non-needy individual like that? But there is one caveat. Limiting your availability as a game or tactic will backfire on you. If you do the things I just mentioned mechanically, you're going to suffer. You're going to start to second guess all your moves and then it's going to feel like formulaic. And instead of making her obsess over you, you'll start to obsess over her and what she thinks of you. So it's much better to actually get busy doing things in your own life, like working, hanging out with friends, working out, engaging in hobbies. If you don't have friends, make friends, and letting yourself be less available as a side effect. Now, as promised at the very beginning, I also want to share with you the bonus tactic that will make a woman lose her mind over you and crave you like a drug. This tactic is what I call becoming a man in demand. You see, any woman will want you more if she sees she has competition. In other words, if there are other women interested in you, you become a bigger catch. That's just how it works. You become a prize. This is why movie stars and athletes get so many women. More than good looks or money, it's being a man in demand that makes them alluring. The good news is you don't have to be a movie star or athlete to be a man in demand. I have created a program called How to Become a Man Women Want, and it walks guys through a 30-day system that can transform any average Joe into a man on demand. So click the link in the description below if you want to check it out, which I highly suggest you do. The best part of this program is that it only gives you actionable steps that lead to real change in how you present yourself to women and how women see you. There's no fluff whatsoever. So as you follow these action steps over the course of 4 weeks, you naturally turn into a confident, charming and attractive man that women desperately want. It's a smooth and seamless process that my team and I have perfected for over a decade, and literally thousands of guys have already been transformed by this program. And many start dating high quality, beautiful women even while they're going through the program. So many have gotten into long-term relationships and even marriages by applying the secrets revealed in this program. I highly recommend that you check it out. So I put the link in the description box below. But either way, thanks for watching this video. I really hope that you found it useful. I really want you to apply what I've taught you in this video, test it out, try it out, and see the results for yourself.